This video walks you through how to log in to the learning management system, also called the LMS. You'll start by clicking on the link that was provided to you. It could be something that was in an email or that later someone at the driving school added as a favorite or a desktop icon. When you click the link, Government of Alberta Training Hub for Class 1 appears. There's a sign-in button at the top right corner, information about the course, and a link to the curriculum framework. So I'm going to go up and click the sign-in button. Instructors at a driving school will click on top button, myalberta.ca business. If you're a learner or a Government of Alberta employee, use myalberta.ca personal. Driving schools and instructors will notice that when they sign in, it mentions that you're doing this for business use. If you're a learner or Government of Alberta employee, then you're at this screen. Just click the back arrow and return to the other sign-in method. You'll notice the sign-in method when it's for personal use does indicate at the top that it's for self. You are now logged in to the LMS. Notice on the right side your initial show and the notification button. Instructors will see Create a Student tab. When students are signed in, they will have the My Training tab. And site administrators who are GOA employees will see the Admin tab. It is essential that you have an alberta.ca account to be able to sign into the LMS. So as you're starting the steps, once you click sign in and you get to the alberta.ca sign in page, if you don't already have an account set up with them, notice at the bottom the link to create an account. There are a number of steps for creating one, and there will be separate training material on how to do that.